I'm here to fight for the country, and there's no bugger here, is there?
Well, like I'm here, Dave. So why are you actually here, Dave? You've got your flag all over your face, mate. You look like you're wearing a hijab now.
A what? I'm actually here to fight for this country. You know, these people, they're coming over, they're taking all of our jobs. Let's say I wanted to be a doctor. I couldn't be, could I?
Well, have you got a medical degree?
No. No, I didn't finish school, did I? No.
So hold a minute, Dave. Yeah. You've not got the chance to be a doctor because they're taking your jobs, even though you've not got a medical degree.
That's right. I don't stand a chance, do I?
But you didn't finish school.
No, but it's the principle of it. Let's say I wanted to be a doctor. I can't, can I?
You can't. Okay, so hold a minute, Dave. Yeah. So when did you finish school, Dave?
9th grade.
So what? Year 9.
Year 9, yeah.
So you're complaining that
I got chucked. I left. But
so hold a minute, David. You're complaining you can't become a doctor, but you didn't even finish year 9.
No, that's right. But it doesn't matter. It's the principle of it. It doesn't matter when I finish school or like whatever. Yeah. If I wanted to be a doctor, I couldn't.
Okay, so
you know why?
Why?
Because they've all got the jobs as doctors. Every bloody one of them. So, well, some of them are lawyers and Deliveroo people.
Okay, so you wouldn't consider being a Deliveroo driver or a taxi driver?
There.
Okay.
What do I want to do that for?
All right, Dave. So you're not happy because they're ruining your chances of becoming a doctor.
Well, they're completely taking away my chance. They've taken away. Thing is, I'm fighting for rights. It's the principle of it.
Right, cool. So what does this represent?
This, you know what this represents? This here is the cross of St George. This
is St George's Cross, apparently.
This is St George's Cross, and you know what St George's Cross means to people like me?
No, what?
Well, St George, he fought a dragon to save this country. That's right. Yeah. They don't teach that in schools nowadays, do they?
All right, Dave. Just because you feel like we're taking all your jobs, I've got you a gift, okay?
Oh, what's that?
This is a hat.
Oh, a hat.
It's a hat you can put on your head.
Oh, nice.
Put it in your head, please, Dave.
That's pretty cool, that.
And now show the flag.
Yeah.